Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
May I have a seat?
Please have a seat. This is Umar Farkan Rahat. I'm your examiner. Now I'm going to take your speaking level test. First of all, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, sir. I'm fine.
What's your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Ismail Hossein Rahat. It's my pleasure if you call me MB Rahat.
Where are you from?
Sir, I grew up in Chatpur.
Chatpur.
Yes, sir. So this is my hometown, and this is also famous area. I think you know.
Where do you study right now?
So right now, so I'm a student at Chatpur Government College, and my major is political science.
Do you trust all people or all friends?
Sir, it's a so difficult question because all
Okay.
persons are not same, sir.
Same, right? Okay.
Yes.
If you don't mind, could I know about your family members?
Yes, sir, obviously. Sir, I have 6 family member in my family, and
আচ্ছা, এখানে আমরা একটু কারেকশন করে দেই। I have 6 family members in my family.
I have 6 family members in my family.
অথবা I have 6 members in my family.
I have 6 members in my family. One, my father, my ideal father, and my ideal mother. He's a homemaker, and I have 4 brothers.
She is a homemaker. অনেক সময় আমরা এই জায়গাগুলো কিন্তু ভুল করে ফেলি। আমরা স্পিকিং এ এই জায়গাগুলো আমাদের কি করতে হবে? ঠিক করতে হবে। She is a homemaker.
Homemaker.
How many siblings do you have?
So I have siblings, 4 brothers. 4
4.
Yes.
I have 4 siblings.
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 Shibna, siblings.
Siblings.
Do you believe in religion?
Yes, sir. I believe my religion because Allah Ta'ala, my God said, who people are won't believe his religion, he will be devil and he will be falling dead.
Okay. Some people say money is the second God. Do you agree with this statement?
Sorry, sir, I don't agree. Is this statement because God is only one?
Are you married?
No, sir, I am single.
What type of marriage do you like? Love marriage or settled marriage?
So I think, sir, settled marriage is important and is so needed because our Bangladesh culture is not support love marriage. So that's why I just always support arranged marriage.
Basically, would you like to be a job holder or businessman?
So I had a job and I was a job holder in multiplan company. So that time I was realized a job is not perfect, but I think business is so perfect, and I always prefer business.
Which one is tough? To do a job or to do business, and why?
I think the job is so difficult because when I was a job holder, that time my MD and my management always don't support me, and always they are pressure me. You should do, and every time they are always force me. So I don't like is this.
Do you think money can give us peace and happiness? Do you think so?
No, sir, I don't agree with this statement because I just say money can't buy happiness.
Okay, thank you very much. So your exam is over. You have to practice more.